ridge towards us on the left side, you can see an old man's face. It looks identical to an old man's face. So if you can spot that, that would be pretty cool.
Give us a hint. Where are we looking?
On the ridge, so you see that rocky mountain, and then there's a ridge that comes towards us. On the left side of that ridge, there's a face. It's like the side of a face is like this on the mountain. So you see this side.
Yeah. Where the V of the ridges go.
Yeah.
Old Man Mountain.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So we're moving into the alpine zone now. You can see some of these trees. They're quite small, and that's interesting because they're about 200 years old.
Wow.
So they have a really short growing period throughout the year. Over there is the Athabasca River. It's the longest river in Alberta. Goes through the Slave and then the Mackenzie and ends up in the Arctic. Apparently, it starts at the Columbia ice fields, and apparently it takes about 10 years for the water to get to the Arctic.
Wow.
We got up here. What time did we get up here?
I think it might be too bright. We are on the type of a tram near Jasper.
Well, there's a train down below.
Land above the trees. Yellowhead Pass, which we just drove through. 1,100 meters. Mount Robson, which we just took photos of. And Victoria Cross Range, northwest. Adulé de la végétation janvier. 40%. I got that part. Oh, look at that. We started way down there. And we hiked all the way up here. Right below that tram. There's a railroad train. Beautiful. I wonder if this is still considered the Rocky Mountains.
Heard a word about it.
I haven't either. There's the tram we just went up in, or came up in. And that is Jasper, the town of Jasper down there. The tram got full. Said it can hold 26 people.
Yeah, I bet you can't go right around, can you?
Alright, well you can't see it very well, but we drove in down that road from British Columbia, and then we came in, and that's Jasper, and then down there is an RV park that we booked for the night, and then tomorrow we're gonna head this way and go down the Icefield Parkway, and that way towards Calgary. Got 3 days to get to Calgary. Probably about a 6 to 8 hour drive. We got 3 days to do it. Kind of nice. So. And it's just for you, the folks that are kind of skittish on the heights. Oh, looky there. Hold on, Ma. There's the tram that we brought up. So we'll go into Jasper tonight and see what they have to say. Or tomorrow. Pretty beautiful. Canadian Rockies. Wish I could name all these mountains. But that's what... Here, now I can name all the mountains. This is the Collin Range. Signal Mountain. Amber Mountain. Mount Hardesty. And that one looks like it is Mount Kirstland. That one with the layers. Way over there. Over there. Over there. Surprised you're this close to the edge, Ma.
Don't do that.
Don't do what?
En die kleine, daar gaat hij mee omhoog en omlaag.
Really warm.
Yeah, it gets really warm in here all day.
I feel sorry for you.
Yeah.
Staat ijzer in kamer.
Half my body will get a tan.
See, this doesn't seem
And everyone's
real.
at the same time.
Yeah.
Is what?
It doesn't seem real.
Yeah.
Trucker only on one side, right?
Yeah.
Truckertown.
Yeah.